Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an exhaustive, no-nonsense industrial review of Otter.ai, analyzing whether this industry pioneer has successfully reinvented itself into an enterprise powerhouse, or if its aggressive pricing spikes and sudden software feature gates have left it outpaced by younger competitors. Rather than operating as a simple, passive background recorder that spits out standard plain text transcripts post-call, Otter has executed a massive structural evolution by launching its proprietary conversational knowledge engine, paired with a brand new Model Context Protocol server framework. The absolute mechanical triumph of this platform expansion is its ability to stitch your entire corporate meeting history into a long-term knowledge graph, meaning you can open a private workspace tab and execute deep cross-meeting intelligence queries, such as tracking product consensus across months of fragmented client calls, while simultaneously pulling live background data from connected external suites like Jira, Salesforce, and Google Drive. Furthermore, their updated Autopilot 3.0 bot introduces real-time visual context capture, automatically snapping high-resolution screenshots of active presentation slides or digital whiteboard sketches, and mapping them directly to the corresponding live audio timestamps. However, looking past these advanced automation layers exposes severe performance friction and stiff financial penalties that are drawing heavy backlash across developer forums. While the platform continues to deliver exceptional transcription precision for English accents, its global multi-language detection capabilities remain notably weak compared to modern open-source alternatives, and its desktop capture software routinely runs into unexpected memory lag loops on standard machines. This friction is compounded by a steep pricing structure that scales to a punishing $40 per user monthly for their business tier, all while restricting crucial features like visual slide capture and comprehensive historical search limits exclusively to paid tiers. Ultimately, if you manage a high-velocity enterprise team or operate as a busy corporate consultant who needs a secure, centralized knowledge cockpit to link conversational data straight to your CRM pipeline, the massive integration scale provides an undeniable workflow advantage. But if you are a budget-strained creator or require multilingual flexibility, weigh these strict limits carefully. Assess your exact monthly minute usage, audit the latest application patches, and leverage this communication network to automate your business today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.